Hey everyone, this video is about how to do tracking using Mocha in After Effects. So let's get started. So this is the clip which I'll be using for this tutorial. You can download this clip from pixels.com and you can find the link in description. To apply Mocha to this clip, select your clip and go to Effects and Boris FX Mocha and Mocha AE. To launch Mocha, click on this Mocha logo. And now click on this rectangular tool, and before that I'll go to last frame because here it is properly visible, so I'll start tracking backwards. So again, click on this rectangular tool, and to zoom in you can use this zoom tool, and you can move around with this hand tool. So this looks fine. Now click on perspective. We also need perspective to track, and now click on this show surface tracking data. This tracking data will be taken back to After Effects, so click on this, and so this will be using in After Effects. And now click on show grids, so this will help us visualize properly where how tagging is being done. Now let's zoom out. And now I will tag backward, so click on this icon. We'll start tracking. It will take some time as duration is long. It is almost done. Now let's save this. Go to File and Save Project. And let's close this. And if you come back here, nothing has happened because we have not used tracking data yet. So we need to generate that. So go open this tracking data option and click on Create Track Data. I'll ask you which layer. We have just one layer which you used in Mocha. So select and hit OK. And now you can see we have 4 points here, and in middle also, and they are sticking there. And I have one more comp here, pre-comp, you can see with this gradient and text. So we'll apply this in this area. So select your layer and go to option, export options here, corner pin. I'll check at this support motion blur, second one, and layer export to, we'll choose this pre-comp one. And now let's apply this. Now switch on your pre-comp, and I can see it will stick there. Let's make a preview. So this is very easy using Mocha. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.